Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake at home easy. Begin by letting cream cheese and eggs reach room temperature. Then preheat your oven and prepare a springform pan with a light butter coating and parchment. I will walk you through a simple crust, a silky filling mixed gently to avoid air, and a water bath for even baking and crack prevention, plus cool-down tips for perfect slices. This slide covers ingredients and tools in a friendly voice so you can prep quickly. Measure cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and sour cream, and crush graham crackers with melted butter for the crust. Line a springform pan with parchment and set a larger pan for a water bath nearby. A hand or stand mixer helps, but vigorous mixing is not necessary. Gentle folding keeps texture creamy and dense. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to for a fresh car scent, perfect after grocery runs or bakery excursions, and it makes a funny but practical pairing with kitchen life. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these baking steps in a calm, encouraging tone so you feel confident. Press crust into the pan and chill briefly to set. Blend filling slowly until smooth, then pour over the chilled crust and smooth the top. Place the springform pan in a larger pan and add hot water halfway up the sides for a water bath. Bake until edges are set and center jiggles slightly, then cool gradually to prevent cracks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.